How to make only people I follow can send message requests on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only people I follow can send message requests on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then click privacy, and here you will find this one, messages, and then just click here you will find only people you follow. Just click on it and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.